But Kiana is really an open book, y'all. I like to think I'm a cool person. I like to think I'm a little comedian at times. Diary to 32 is moving. Life, business, wife, employee, what else? Ministry. Juggle is real. I think this is the first year where I am learning to juggle. Yes, I'm a police officer. Anyway, I'm learning how to juggle a lot of hats at once and still show up and be present for everything and still show up and be present for myself. And I would say I probably walk more into this in year 32 than I did in the last 31 years. Like, I'm learning how important it is to show up for me, and I'm starting to learn that in the latter years of 31 years old. So that's another part of my diary. And when I say show up for me being vulnerable, reaching out to people when I need to, not trying to do everything up under my own strength, trusting God 10 times more than I thought I was, and being okay to say no, being okay with not being there, just being okay with not being okay. Like, no, I'm actually someone I tell them to do, no, I'm not okay. Learning to say and do that. So that is something I have learned and experienced. I will honestly say within this past year that I'm going to embrace more at 32.